Okay guys, I'm here in Kobe in Chinatown. Nantanmachi is what it's called. From the name, I have to give you some science. From the famous capital of China at one point in I got it, Nanjing. So Chinatown, Kobe, Japan. Had a Sichuan place, love Sichuan. Just demolished this bowl soup. Do you see how empty it is? That's what happened. That happened. But we have this left. The Sichuan peppercorns, the red chilies, and all that spicy goodness. And I heard that it's really good for inflammation and good for antioxidants and good for digestion and de-bloating. And you know a girl needs to stay de-bloated, okay? So I'm gonna put a little bit of extra juice. Tell your mom I did this. But I won't leave anything behind. So good, so tasty. My tongue is numb. Sichuan, love it. Cheers. I'll be having a great time on the bidet later on.